Just going to show you the colors. इसके borders ये हैं, and the bottom will be in the plain shade of the kurta. So yes, as I was saying that we do mostly pastels and lighter colors because इसमें georgette है, linen है, तो इसमें बहुत fall है. I have designed it as an anarkali. I can share the picture with you. Straight long kurtas, even kaftan long kurtas, floor length, all variation look very nice. And isme when you do a dark color, even now you see this is our design of, you know, the same design that I showed you earlier. This, even though it's a dark color of gray, you know, blackish grayish, you can see how subtle it is. So for an evening wear, I mean, just imagine yourself wearing this. It's just beautiful. To a dinner, to a formal event, you know, it's just beautiful. So you can see the color right here. And so this is, you know, I hope you guys also feel that for a reason this is you know, a special, very very special collection. And this is the dupatta. So this is a jet black dupatta. You can see the colors coming here, and with this is this kurta. So this is a unique shade. A few of the dark colors that we do. I want to show you the border. Yes, this is the border. The bottoms I'm not showing you. It's going to be plain. It's going to be plain, you know, cotton silk in the base color of the suit. All these suits that I'm showing you here are 18,800. You can see the motifs shining through in these colors and combination. I love all of them. The pastels have a unique charm, but these are my absolute favorite. The, you know, the pink and the orange buta. So this is one gone. A color that many of you have been looking for is a sky blue. So, you know, come summer, come spring, I think all of us want to wear this very pleasant shade of blue. Look at this unique fall, an amazing color, you know. So I think the combination, you know, be it you know, summer, you know, summers, in many parts of the country it's already getting hotter, and in north of course it's very cold. But whatever be the season, if you have a day wedding, if you have a day event, if you have a night one, we have colors for that too. So these are perfect for many many occasions. The border in this design is of course suiting the buta, a tulip kind of a design, and this beautiful shade of blue. I really can't get enough looking at this color even in the screen. So yes, and it's so this is the, sorry, this has gotten a little tangled up, yeah, but this is the dupatta, and again the tassels have been done to match it. So this is one other color, one blue color, which all of you really kind of ask and want. So another one in the jal is this shade of pink. You could also call it burgundy, but because of this fabric it becomes really subtle and beautiful. So you can see that some colors will work very well at night. For example, this one, the darker colors, some of them will work very well during the day. So these are, yes, they have a distinct day and you know, night look, and which is the reason I think so many of you have so many of these. So yes, this is the border for this one. You can see इसमें पूरे में the uniform design runs all over it. So this is it. And in this one of course we have the bottom. So just to see the bottom, it matches the base color. It's in cotton silk, so it has a sheen. Wear it as a plazo, use some borders at the end, and it is, you know, as dressy as the kurta. So this is the dupatta. You can see the unique fall in it, the fabric so soft. This fabric, this is chiffon georgette, so fresh and easy to wear. I have not once removed this dupatta, which, you know, if this was a silk dupatta, yes, I would have for sure. So you can see how comfortable and easy these dupattas are, and you know how you can just wear them in different settings and colors. Another blue. Okay, so let's do first a white. So this is the white, that I am wearing, and in this of course you will see the buta all over, but I mean, I think more the merrier. The buta is beautiful. Now with this buta you can use all these borders. Yeah, so these borders all come with it. 5 meters of border in each of these pieces. The price is 18,800 for the entire set. And here it is. You can see the, let me show you this. Here it is. So this is the white, and of course you've been seeing me wear this dupatta, but let me show it to you once more. It's a classic lovely color to have. And this, and the last color is the blue in this jal. And what's not to love? The Meena in orange and pink, and this, this border at the very end, this border here, and this dupatta. Let me show you the dupatta again. Here you can see how beautifully it opens and folds, and yeah, that's the charm of it. That's the charm of it very much. So here it is. Here is the last piece, the last color that we have, and this is the blue in the jal. If you want to see it in close and personal, you can see the design. So yes, that's our Jharoka collection, and I hope this video gave you a good idea of how they look and feel. All the pictures are ready. We have posted them. You can DM us for more details. Thank you so much. Thanks. Bye.